we are going to learn how to draw a sea turtle. A sea turtle, so you can add a sea turtle to your habitat drawing. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take and turn my paper the tall way. And then I'm going to make a shape on here that's kind of like, almost like an egg, but it's not going to be quite as round. So it's going to start on the top with a curved line like this. Notice it doesn't touch this side and it doesn't touch this side. We need plenty of room so we can draw the legs. And then this curved line is going to come down and then go back up, kind of like when we drew our faces. Down and back up. And this is going to be the shell for your sea turtle. Then you're going to draw his head coming out. So the head's going to be a curved line, makes kind of a half circle or a semicircle. So it's going to go right in the middle of the shell and it's going to come up like this. And stick out just a little like that. Then we're going to draw his front legs, and his front legs and his back legs are different shapes. So for the front leg, we're going to make two lines that come out like this. One is from the top of the shell and one is from the side of the shell. And then I'm going to make a semicircle that comes back around, but it's kind of more like an oval. But it's going to start at the top and it's going to curve down and over and back until it touches that other line. Then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to draw two lines that come out. One on top, one on the side. And then I'm going to draw a line that comes from the top of this, curves around and back to touch the bottom one. So now I have the head and the two front legs. On the back, I'm going to draw his back legs are going to be just kind of long ovally shapes that touch the shell like this. So one on this side and one on this side. And then I'm going to use kind of a triangle shape to make his tail, coming right out the back side. Once I have that, I'm going to design his shell. So I'm going to make the same shape I made in the beginning. I'm going to make that same shape right inside. Right inside, so that it's the same shape, just inside further. And then you can decide what design you want to make on the shell. You can make triangles on it, or squares, or circles, something to make that shell pattern on it. If you want to, you can follow along with what I'm going to do, or you can create your own design using your own shapes. So I'm going to make mine I'm going to start off just a little below this line that I made. I'm going to draw a line that goes just in the middle. It doesn't go all the way across. And then I'm going to make a line that comes from there to the top corner and from there to the other top corner. Then I'm going to make two lines that come off of it that angle out towards the sides. They go out like this. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes straight from that to the side. Straight from that to the side. I'm going to make a line that comes from this corner and a line that comes from this corner, and they're going to go in and stop. In and stop. And then I'm going to make those touch like that. Next thing I'm going to do is make these lines angle out, just like I did the last time. They go out almost to the side but not quite, and then they're going to go sideways and touch, sideways and touch. And I'm going to angle it in, and draw a line across so they touch. And I'm going to draw an angled line out to the bottom, angled line out to the bottom, and I made a shell. And then you can add whatever kind of eyes you want on your turtle, whatever mouth you want on your turtle. You can decide how you want to draw that on there. If you want to draw nose, eyes, mouth. and then draw the animal's habitat around it. Great job, kindergartners.